In this video, you will learn how to safely back up all your WhatsApp messages on your Android phone so you never lose a single chat, even if you switch phones or uninstall the app. I'll walk you through each step clearly, so make sure you follow along to the end. First, go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you're inside WhatsApp, look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. Now tap on Settings. It's the last option at the bottom of the menu. Inside the Settings page, tap on Chats. Next, scroll all the way down and tap on Chat Backup. This is where you'll manage your WhatsApp backups. First, tap on Google Account and choose the Gmail address where you want your backup stored. If you haven't added one before, you'll be prompted to sign in. Just follow the on-screen instructions and hit Continue when asked. After that, tap on Backup to Google Drive and choose how often you want your chats to be backed up. You can set this to daily, weekly, or monthly. I personally recommend selecting daily for extra safety. If you want your videos to be backed up too, go ahead and toggle on the Include Videos option just below. Now to back up immediately, simply tap the Backup button at the top. WhatsApp will begin saving your messages to your selected Google account. And that's it. Once the backup is complete, you'll see the last backup time appear under the button, confirming that your chats have been securely saved. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.